Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to shut down your MacBook automatically after so much inactivity time has elapsed. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what we're going to start off with is opening up System Preferences down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Go and select the Security and Privacy button. You will more than likely be landed on the general page here, but you want to go select File Vault. So go ahead and left click on that. Now you have to select the lock to make changes. So go ahead and left click on that. You have to enter in your computer password at this point. Select the Advanced button. And then the first option here that says log out after so much inactivity, check mark inside of here, and then you can set a custom number. You can just type it in however you want. It's going to just log out your computer after so much inactivity. And you have one further option here to require an administrator password to access system-wide preferences too. Not as really anything to do with this so much for today's tutorial. Just wanted to put that out there. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.